So as you can see guys, I found this young bird. So I think he have fall from his nest for his mother. So he can't fly. So I saw him to in grass, jumping and running. So maybe his mother trained his to fly. So he can and he can't fly very well. So I forgot the name of kind of this bird. So as you can see, she's very young. So this bird for to my other video, she have many nest or egg in my past video.